I cannot wait to see what I got from GuestQuest. Here's my box. So let's dive in. Okay. Oh wow. This is awesome. I received a mighty patch. So this is nice because this is great for removing pimples. So I can't wait to try this. It says your blemish hero. Another thing I received is the hemp or hemp Z. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but this is a sweet jasmine and rose plant collagen. So this will be really interesting to use. It says it's one of the world's most perfectly balanced natural oils containing essential fatty acids and key amino acids, natural proteins, etc. Helps to replenish and lighten the moisture. So that's something that I look for within my skin. It looks very very professional. And one thing I love about this too is how it's really wrapped very well. Sometimes I've ordered products and the product just spills out because they don't really wrap it, but it has a nice plastic wrap on this, so I can make sure I get all, the product. The next thing I see here is Sun Bum. It is I've never heard of this before, but it is timely because this is summertime. It's a SPF 50 water resistant. So this is great for putting on my body during the summertime, and especially when I go on vacation, because I didn't have this on the last time I went on vacation because I didn't have it. I wish I would have had this, but this is great. I'm looking at the active ingredients. You shake well. 15 minutes before sun exposure, reapply after 80 minutes. So it lasts a real good time. It's great for swimming. So I am excited about this. And another one is the pH balancing wipes. Oh my goodness, this is nice. This is great for women, of course, in our particular sensitive area. This is good balancing wipes, so I'm excited about this. It's made with clean ingredients to match the pH of our personal area, and cleans and refresh. So I'm excited about that. Okay. And oh my goodness, this is awesome. I love journaling. I journal all the time. And I would say, even for mothers, please journal, leave something for your kids of your life. So this is perfect. I love the feel of this, the nice leather feel, and very spacious pages. Nice, very nice. I like that. And what else do I have here? I have a gentle retinol body lotion. Oh my goodness, I love lotion. So this is nice. Great for drying, aging skin. I'm older, in my 60s, and I would love to try this. Always looking for things to help improve my skin. A few more things I have is I have a Mineral Fusion. Let's open that. Okay, nice. Mineral Fusion lipstick. Okay, that's different. I've never used this kind before. So that looks really nice, the color that I like. And I have Skin Food. Oh my goodness, I love skin products. So this is Original Ultra Rich Cream. That is plant-based. Okay, nice. Okay, nourishes dry skin. I'm always going through dry skin, especially during the summertime. So I cannot wait to use that. And I think that's it, except for one last one. Let's see here. What is this? Cannot wait to see. Oh my goodness. I love candles. This is, I love the smell of that. What is that scent? This is a candle, and it is a threshold, leather and embers. Okay, burn time 21 hours. Okay, nice. So I cannot wait to burn this, put on my beautiful skin items and the other items that I have here. I'm excited about this box and I cannot wait to try these and let you know how they are. Thanks for watching.